Okay. We at the villa. Look, so this is what we're gonna do real quick. We're gonna use some slang because they keep lying to us and saying they don't know English.
They speak
But
English.
they know everything
that we saying.
So, listen, I'm gonna tell you a story, okay?
You don't want to drink, okay?
Me and my brother was walking down the street, right? And we seen two Johns. Y'all get it? She don't get it. You get it? We seen two Johns. No, two Johns. The John. What's my name again? What's my name? Re guapo. Re guapo. She said the wrong name, right? Cause this one over here understand English, but she keep acting like she don't. But look, we was walking down the John and seen two Johns in front of the John, and then the John was crazy. So this John told this John that they need some Johns to leave the John, and we like, why? Y'all not even at the John. But J Money paid the John, and here we are, macking. What is that? What is that?
What's it?
What's that? ¿Qué es eso?
ก็ถามว่าเป็นอะไร
hot.
Is weed?
Yeah.
Is weed?
No, not weed. Hot. Same.
Ah. And she don't like me.
The main content.
I love you.
I've been traveling around the world for you. I might.
You love me.
I love you.
I love you too.
Cap.
Oh.
Cap. See what I'm talking about? They know what cap mean. What cap mean?
No.
This is just for memories. No YouTube, no nothing. Memories, just memories. Y'all okay?
I know.
Hey, you. What's his name? Huh?
ชื่ออะไร
What's my name? What's my name?
But your name so long. But you have short name.
Vre.
Bray.
Guapo.
Ray couple.
Just call me Guapo. Just say Guapo.
Gopo.
Guapo?
Gopo.
Guapo.
Gopo.
I might pull up in your city, put it in you, and might take you on a tour with us.
Guapo.
Gopo.
What's your name?
Gopo.
I don't know her name. I forgot.
Mm.
Your name? I don't remember. I think, hold on. It's, give me 1 second here. It's, 1 second.
Short name.
I know it's only 3 letters. I get it. I understand it's a short name.
Party back in the crib.
What's her name? I forgot. What's her name? I know that's This is, I can't remember. It's short. War.
But short name.
War?
Tell them one more time. Be nice.
Dow.
Dow Jones.
Dow Jones.
Up and down like it's Wall Street, Holmes. This is worse than the Dow Jones.
But you don't forget my